What's the meaning of cousin? Cousin. Cousin.
Cousin. Cousin. The term cousin typically refers to the child of an individual's aunt or uncle, or the individual themselves in relation to their own aunts and uncles. In other words, cousins are individuals who share at least one set of grandparents with another person. Cousins can be first, second, third, or more distant, depending on how many generations they are removed from the common ancestor. Cousins often have familial relationships that range from close and supportive to distant and unfamiliar, depending on factors such as geography, age, and culture.